Now we can't discuss the display without discussing privacy display, and this thing blew me away. Like, I lost my mind when I saw it, because genuinely such a useful feature integrated with hardware. Let's explain. So you know how you guys buy the screen protectors that kind of make the display not visible from any sides? Yeah, I hate those. I think those are the worst. But that's a different story, because I hate cases and screen protectors in general. But I do understand the need for privacy. And therefore, what Samsung has done is they've created pixels in such a way where what the phone does is that if you enable what's called privacy display, let's say you do it for the whole display, what this will do is it'll enable only the pixels that are facing you and facing your eyes, not the pixels that shine light outward, and therefore people looking at the phone from the side will not be able to see it. And I think that is brilliant. But to top that up even more, what they've done is you can either activate it for specific apps, you can activate it when you're putting in your PIN, you can activate it even just for notifications, so that if someone's around you, they can't see what notifications you're getting. And I think this is phenomenal. This feature alone to me is the best thing I saw at today's pre-briefing for the S26 series and everything else that was announced. If you'd like a detailed video to understand more about this feature, do let me know in the comments. The privacy display is one of those features you just have to see in real life. It is unbelievable. Like, even if you see in the sample footage that I'm showing you, it is brilliant. It is absolutely brilliant. The minute your eyes are off center, the display starts disappearing, and that is just so useful in real life. Like, well done, Samsung. Like, mad credits for creating this.